In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively harness the power of Perplexity, transforming it into your dynamic, AI-powered second brain. We'll guide you through a simple, step-by-step process, ensuring you get the most out of this innovative tool. To begin, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to www.perplexity.ai. Once you're there, go ahead and log in. This is your gateway to accessing a wealth of knowledge and insights, all at your fingertips. With Perplexity, you can ask intricate questions and receive comprehensive, well-cited responses, but let's break it down and see how you can make the most of it. Once logged in, you'll start by thinking of a question you want to explore. For example, let's consider the topic of renewable energy. You might begin by asking, "Explain the trends in renewable energy." Perplexity will quickly generate a response filled with valuable information, often accompanied by citations. These citations are crucial as they guide you to further reading and nuanced understanding of the subject matter. After receiving the response, it's incredibly useful to record this information. Open up your preferred notes application, such as Notion or any other you're comfortable with, and copy the response, including the citations. This step allows you to build a repository of knowledge, personalized to your interests and inquiries. When you want to delve even deeper, follow-up questions are your best friend. For instance, you could ask, "What are the next 3 actionable steps?" This allows you to go beyond just understanding a topic and move toward application. By doing this, you transform passive learning into active engagement, a critical step in utilizing knowledge effectively. As you gather more information, organizing it becomes essential. Consider doing this by topic, thread, or creating a dedicated space for each area of interest within your Notes app. This way, retrieval of information becomes seamless, and you can keep track of discussions and ideas much more efficiently. If you're looking for additional prompts to guide your exploration, try asking the AI to summarize the key points from this topic with sources. This will give you a neat overview while maintaining reference credibility. Or if you need a simpler explanation, ask it to explain this in simple terms for a beginner. Finally, to broaden your understanding, ask it to cross-reference this with a similar topic. Such prompts help in expanding and solidifying your understanding. By integrating this workflow into your routine, Perplexity can effectively become your AI-powered second brain, enhancing your ability to learn, organize, and apply complex information. This approach not only adds a layer of efficiency to your research, but also empowers you to navigate the vast landscape of information with confidence and clarity. Enjoy the new paradigm of learning and discovery that Perplexity has to offer.